We are getting you these pictures from Thiruvananthapuram, where the BJP Mahila Morcha staged a protest against Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, demanding his resignation and asking that he must step down soon. Now, the protesters were detained outside North Block of the Secretariat building. Cutting across to Ashwin, who is joining us live, tracking all the updates coming in. Ashwin, what's happening there? Not too sure if Ashwin is still connected with us, but very dramatic pictures that have come in from Thiruvananthapuram, where water cannons are being used to disperse the crowds. And we also hear that some of these protesters have also been detained, but Ashwin would be able to confirm the same. What do you have for us, Ashwin? Give us more details.
Very, very dramatic events have taken place right behind me at the Secretariat just just an hour ago. 3 members of the Mahila Morcha barged into the Secretariat, and this is where and they barged in with the BJP flag, and they barged in without noticing, and the police came to know very, very late, and then they walked into the Secretariat building right behind me over there, and they raised voices demanding the resignation of Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan after M. Shivashankaran has been made as a 5th accused in the case filed by the ED. So a massive protest is being built as we speak. The members of the Mahila Morcha and the Yuva Morcha is building the cadres there, and they will be having a huge march and a protest. And they said they will be defying Section 144, which has been imposed by the state government till the end of this month. So they are saying they are ready to get arrested. The BJP members are ready to get arrested. We have also got information that across the state, several BJP members are being arrested. Right now in Trivandrum, 3 Mahila Morcha members have been detained. They raised their flag, the BJP flag, they raised it, they went inside the very Secretariat. They demanded a resignation of Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan. They have been immediately taken in. A large number of Mahila Morcha members and Yuva Morcha members are just getting ready, and they will be taking a huge march in demanding that Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan immediately resigns, because the CMO's office is being corrupted. It is the CMO's office which has lost its value after the sensational gold smuggling scam has put his Chief Minister's right-hand man, somebody at his trusted aide, somebody who has been with him for a long time, has been put behind bars, and he has been questioned and he has been kept into custody for the next 7 days. So it's a huge charge, and the atmosphere is getting electric. We have also got information that even the Congress members have made a huge protest in front of Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan's home. But right now, as we speak, the police officials are getting ready. The entire media is also here. The police is ready. They are ready to take on, and they are saying, I have spoken to these police officers. They said if they do something violent, they will be taken into custody. They said if there are more than 5 people who are going to be in this place making a protest, they will be taken into custody, because it is a clear it's a clear violation of Section 144, which has been put in the state till October 31st.